の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の Dreaming God 忘れないで
Hi everyone, we are here in Asda. I'm just gonna get a gift wrap for Gable's birthday. Show you like a quick one. This jug. Guys, there's a sale there. Can you see? This is a shampoo bar, coconut and lychee, and sun-kissed raspberry. I might try this the one to see how it. There's two. A green apple. So let's try if it's any good. 125 from 250. Let's try it, guys. And we found the yogurt for 35p, guys. Two of them I've got. And yeah, put it back there, Darren. And then a mushroom, it's 90p for a mushroom. Only one? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 2 pounds. I paid 29 pounds on my shopping plus, so I paid 49 in total because I put 20 pounds on my Asda Christmas saving card. I didn't realize, you know, you only find out your balance after you paid and you will be able to get the receipt. So I put 20 again today and I already have 140, guys. So that's absolutely more than enough for the 4 of us for Christmas food. So that's This month is my last. I actually didn't put in July because I didn't go to Asda at all for the month of last month. Last month, is it? I think I didn't go to Asda, so I didn't put for the month of July last month. So August is my last. So I put only for 7 months, and I put for 20 pounds for 7 months. So that's enough. 140 is more than enough. So we are good with our Christmas food for food shopping. Anyway, guys, so yeah, one bag, guys, for one bag for ating hibo egg, chocolate egg. One bag for 29 pounds, but 10 pounds, 10 of the powder of jelly, and then 2 pounds of 12 pounds worth of jelly. I bought the in the cup because it's already afternoon, guys. It won't set for our dinner tonight. We haven't had jelly in for how many days, me and hubby, because there's nothing in, they don't sell it in Lidl anymore. Yeah, so I have been going to Lidl and looking, and they don't have it anymore. So I bought 10 here because I don't go to Asda quite a lot. So it's really hot, guys, so we have to go. You hold on a minute, anak. Oh, I'll give you a wipes. So yeah, so I just got 10 here, guys, because that's the only pudding me and hubby can have. Or the, I think I did show you guys that I bought 2 of this sugar free. It's for hubby, he loves this, but me, very rare I have it. So yeah, see you in a bit. Back home now, guys. I already cooking a rice quite early. Yeah, I made a jelly, but this is for tomorrow. It won't set now for dinner. So I'm making 6. Yeah. This is 2 sachet. This one, guys, 2. Guys, after how many hours? I took Gable to swimming lesson with Noah. Noah doesn't go on a swimming lesson, but we are all together. And we're having omelette. If it's swimming lesson of the boys are rice, chicken wings for Kuya Gable. If it's swimming lesson, only omelette for me and hubby, so it's easy to cook, you know, because we get back here nearly 4:30, guys. Nearly 4:30. It finishes 4, the swimming lesson. So yeah, we have been caffeine because I put loads of chili on my thing, on my omelette, and it makes you all cough. The kids are coughing a lot. So yeah,
Mama's chili, oily infection.
I love putting chili. Anyway, wait, that is not the short I bought you for your birthday. Oh, both of them. You're so cute. Anyway, guys, what else did I do? Yeah, just got busy with the kids, guys. I'm off tonight. Finally, after 3 nights. I'm so knackered. Yeah, see you in a bit. Let's have this omelette, ham, green pepper, mushroom, cheese, egg, sausage. Guys, we are in the garden. Husband bought something. We will unbox it for you so you could see here. Here, guys. Okay, Daddy, unbox it, please. Oh, Noah, be careful, Noah. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna time lapse it. Ah, you need a scissors, Lovey? Daddy, scissors? Huh? Ah.
Open out already. Open. Will we open?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna time lapse you, babe. Oh, by the way, guys, this is meant to be 40 pounds each, and husband bought it for on sale, 20 pounds each. So 40 each, gone down to 20. Where did you buy it, Lovey? Morrison? B&Q pala. B&Q, guys. Ito in Morrison because someone posted it in Morrison in the Facebook. But my Morrison is so... Wow, look at that, guys. Still, I'm happy with my chair from the tip. Mine is amazing. I love it. Well done, Kuya Gabby. Yay! Hey, Jack. You put choking. Alright, Jackie. Wow. That's your one? That's your one? Yay! Wow, look at the... It's like it can be your bed in the camp, Noah.
Yeah.
I'm just joking. Of course, you will sleep next to Mom as always, Noah. God, I put everything in the camera now. Dad, you don't need to tie it all because it might rain and it will take you long to untie it, ano? Wow! Very social! Oh, look, my daddy will try it. Hey! Look at Chucky. Wow! Look at that! Wow! Wow! Yay! Relaxing, Dad? Wow! So this relaxing. Hi, Dad. Dad is asleep now, ah.
Hi, Dad.
Eh, Kuya Gabby's going by himself. You don't need to tie it, anak. Yay! Yoo! Ay! Okay, Kuya. Okay, lie down, lie down. Wow! Ah! What do you think?
I'm gonna sleep here tonight.
You are?
No, I actually am.
Wow!
I'm gonna see the stars and everything.
Oh. Mark, what do you need?
Hello.
Ice cream? And you're so relaxed.
Oh yeah. Let me enjoy my ice cream.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the ultimate transformation
Okay.
from a bed,
Yeah?
from a chair.
Yeah?
To a bed.
Okay.
Daddy, look! Mom, Daddy, look!
Whoa!
Literally. Look up there.
No, we can see you now. Oh, Kuya Gabby's going to sleep now. You want to sleep in a camp? What? Someone's sleeping now.
Why did you guys wait?
Come here, my baby.
Oh, maybe it's gonna be locked.
No, I tested it. It's like thingy. It won't go back.
Good.
Yeah.
Sleep now, Noah.
Oh, very comfy, Kuya. You want to try it, Kuya? Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm the vlogger.
Okay. Noah's already transformed. Whoa! Wow! Ay, guli! It's sale day. Guys, I'm gonna quickly shower and I will ask Habi to vlog me for us because Habi is very interested as well. How does a shampoo bar? So here, guys. And
70% more washes than a standard shampoo bottle.
so, yes, let's try it. Hubby's
Wet the bar and rub between your hands and directly onto the hair for lather.
I'm gonna use the red. Wet the bar. Just my hair, Lovey, please. Smells very...
It smells better.
Which one smells better?
The red.
Okay, Lovey, let's go, go, go! Oh, guys, so here is the thing. What, like this lang?
Yeah.
And then...
That's it. Sure, soaping quite a lot, isn't it?
And then I'm gonna just, wait a minute, put it there. But I need to do the bottom. Yeah, so... Smells amazing! I need to do more because my hair is long. Thank you, love! And I'll let you know when I finish if it's Thank you, Daddy. Yo. Guys, so here it is. Okay, let me take off the thing. I put a conditioner earlier. It's quite a bit dry without a conditioner. So, I put a conditioner in the end and it was perfect. So, yeah, it's soft. My finger can go through. So, yeah. And I could smell the raspberry. How about you, Lovey?
A little bit.
A little bit. So, yeah. I don't know, guys. That's only the first use. Hubby will use it when he had a shower. He had a shower earlier, but I totally forgot about it. Because, you know, we've been to Asda. Took Gable to swimming. And it was on the side in the kitchen. And then I just realized, oh my God, I'm gonna have a shower. And I remember. So, yeah. So, Hubby will use it when he had a shower again. Maybe tomorrow or something. So, and he will let you know his review. It's okay. Personally, maybe I will still use the liquid shampoo. But maybe it's nice that one to take if you are going away. Yeah, that's perfect if you're going away because like like camping or holiday. So it's just the bar. So I think it's good to do that. But maybe for everyday use, I will still go for the liquid shampoo. It's actually very soapy, love, yeah. Very, yeah. It bubbles a lot and it smells amazing. So there's 3 choices in there earlier: coconut, apple, and the raspberry. I didn't get the coconut, guys. I'm not a coconut person. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you on tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
ってしまえばきっとこの夏は充